guys, now I'm literally like right next to the cliff, but if you can see it there right behind me, it's really nice. People come in there, and as you can see over the cliff underneath there, surrounding with many mountains. Beautiful spot. Okay, we're gonna go to Independent Pass. I'm gonna make a video soon. All right, peace out. So, waiting for Kiki to get dressed up a little bit. It's kind of cold. Yes, Kiki? Can I picture with Independent Pass? It's like 12:10. Like literally, this is noon. But yeah, it's so cold. Hey, Kiki, where you going? Where you going? Where you going, Kiki?